All right, for the Red Belt Junior tutorial on bucket drumming, let's start with counting this 2 times through. Here we go. 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4. Second time. 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, now let's say the stickings. Here we go. For sticks, we'll just say this word sticks, even though it sounds like a click. Maybe I'll consider changing that later. Right, left, right. Sticks, right, left, right. Sticks, right, sticks, 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 right, left, right. Sticks. Let's try that one again. Right, left, right. Sticks, right, left, right. Sticks, 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 right, left, right. Sticks. Okay, now let's try playing it on the drum. It's 1 time through. Let's try the second time. 2 more tries. And 1 last time. Okay, hopefully you can pass off Red Belt Junior.